Hey, you're good. We got friendly in there. There's friendlies in there. Brody, you still in there? What?
Watch out, get down here. There's a guy between the fucking...
Coming in.
Watch the guy. There's a guy in the net.
Okay. I can see out this crack. There's about 3 guys behind that netting. He's sitting behind the netting. Green, we gotta push further up on the right. Shoot him from the side. Move up, Green. Wrap around the building. Fucking A, you alright? You okay?
Yeah.
Slippery in there. You're good, you're good. Watch this window right here.
Yep.
You're not bleeding, don't worry.
Yeah, I know. It just hurts a lot. Fell on my ass earlier, now I fell on my elbow. Look at my shooting hand.
Uh-huh.
He's behind you, the man.
Yeah, it's just sitting there. We have to keep moving forward and hit him from the side somehow. We should be having guys move through the woods.
Yeah, I think there's someone down there, though.
Huh? There's someone down there?
Yeah. There's an enemy.
This one right here, don't shoot me.
All right.
Did someone get hurt? I heard someone's foot.
He fell.
You good?
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah.
Ref coming out.
You see him behind that black netting, man? He's behind the black netting in the middle.
Hit.
Are they shooting through this doorway? Where? I'm out, I'm out.
Hit, hit, hit.
Let's go this way. Get to me. Get to me. Get behind me. Get behind me. Alright. Wait, I got eyes on the building right there. I got eyes on the building. Move right there, Brody, and look in the door of the building, okay?
Behind that tree there?
Yeah, this V1 right here. Go. Hit. We're hit. Coming out of the woods. Let's go push that hill. Moving up. There's a guy in the woods to the right. There's a guy in the woods to the right. Guy in that woods, careful, dude. Guy with the DMR in that, or LMG in those woods over there.
Fuck that. Guys, careful.
Are they sniping in there?
I believe in you. I can already see it.
Hey, it's better to wrap around the side of the building over here.
I love you.
I got you guys covered. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. I got you. Go, 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 go.
Hit, let him out!
Keep pushing.
You don't call that hit, I'm gonna be really mean.
It's neutral. It's neutral.